Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. So, for mine, I need 18 rebates for $5, and then there is a surf and turf bonus as well. And for that, I need 16 for $5. So the goal for today is to knock out 18 rebates for $10. Of course, again, if I have to get gift cards, I'll get a couple of those to kind of help with things. Of course, I'll have a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure post notifications are on so you never miss out on a deal. I did pretty much all these deals yesterday. I only had one thing to do today. Y'all know I'm in a high desert, and we're supposed to be bracing ourselves for a tropical storm. It's supposed to touch down, I think, Sunday night. So Joseph's like, we gotta go stock up. I'm like, stock up on what? You know, us Californians don't know what to do when something happened, like earthquakes and fires. Like, that's our thing. Like, anything else, we don't know. So, I'm hoping that everything is gonna be alright. Other than that, you guys, we're gonna make this quick. So, if you haven't had a chance to smash the like button, you still got a chance. We're gonna head over to Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. Alright, so the first deal that we're gonna be doing is on the Mentos. So for this, they are priced at $1.36. I've been grabbing this in sets of 4, paying $5.44 and then getting back $1.36 from Checkoff 51. And then $4 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. Now, the last time I did this, I think I did it on ta-da, and I had to put a ticket in for the other 2 because it only gave me credit for 2. But I did get credit for the other ones. And so yeah, not bad. Makes them only 2 cents each. All right, so the next deal that I'm grabbing again is on the mac. I'm so stocked up on mac and cheese. I'm probably going to donate it to the homeless shelter because Josiah, he ain't with his box mac and cheese. He likes this other particular one. It's like a dinner, a heat and serve one, but I thought he might eat it, but he's not. So I'm probably going to donate all of it that I've gotten so far. And so with this deal, I'm going to go ahead and just grab all of them. So the first one is the original flavor. It's on the value size box, which is priced at $2.08. I'm getting back $1.45 on Ibotta, makes that 63 cents. And then we're gonna grab the original one for $1. We're also gonna be grabbing the thick and creamy for $1.12. And then there's also the 3 cheese for $1.12, and then the spirals for $1. Getting back 30 cents on Ibotta would make them between 70 cents and 82 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Nora pasta sides, or rice sides. I'm gonna grab the pasta though. I think I saw Fendi Saves post this deal on her channel. I'm sure I've seen other people post it, but that's the one off the top of my head. And so for this, we're gonna grab 4 of them. The price at $1.26, so the total is gonna come to $5.04. But then we're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta for grabbing 4 of them. Bringing them down to only 76 cents each. Next deal is on the Krusty's Vanilla Pound Cake, which is priced at $3.42. This cake looks so freaking good, y'all. This maybe it's just because I have a sweet tooth, and right now I've been trying to be on my little grind, my little fitness grind. All the cake look good, but this one looks really good. I'm gonna grab one of them, priced at $3.42. And then we'll be getting back $1.62 from Ibotta, making this $1.62. All right, next up is the Knoppers again, priced at $3.66. Grabbing 2 of them, you end up paying $7.32 and then getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also still 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, and then $3 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da, bringing them down to only 36 cents each. All right, so I have a rebate for 10 cents off of any tuna. And the great value one is the cheapest one I can find, priced at $1. Getting back 10 cents makes this 90 cents. Right, so this next deal is on the chorizo, and I did this deal yesterday and didn't realize that the pork one didn't work. So I'm waiting for their customer service to open this morning. I can return that one and get back the $1 on Ibotta. So you want to get the beef, and so they're priced at $1.62. Now for this, I do have $1 back on Ibotta. There's also 55 cents on ShopMium and Alexa, so it'll bring this down to only 7 cents each, which is definitely not bad. All right, the next deal, I'll have to pop up a picture because this store doesn't carry the Zoa energy drinks. They are priced at 148 getting back $1 on Ibotta, so it makes that 48 cents. The other thing I was looking for is the Gatorade. Is it Gatorade? I don't even think it's Gatorade. It's called Ready. It's called Ready. It's a sports drink. It's in a black bottle. I don't think my area carries it, but and so I don't have a price point either. But for that deal, you want to grab 2 of them. There's a buy one get one free coupon in our inserts, and then on Ibotta, I think you're getting back $1 for each one. So it may be a pretty decent deal. The other thing I was looking for too, that my store doesn't carry, is the Gatorade in the. It's not even Gatorade. It's Powerade. It's the Powerade little mini bottles. They're like 12-ounce bottles, I believe. There's a BOGO offer on Ibotta for that too, but my store doesn't carry them either. So next up is creamer. I'm like, this is my happy place right here, because it goes in coffee, which is awesome. My happy place. So I was kind of debating on whether to do this deal. Now, but I figured I gotta buy creamer anyways. I might as well get a deal on it, right? So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Coffee Mate, the seasonal ones. I did this deal yesterday. I grabbed the pumpkin one, and I grabbed this one right here, the brown butter one, which looks so good. Their price is $4.26, so you're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $8.52, but then getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Shop Me and Alexa as well. I don't think I have this on Tada, which bring them down to $1.26 each, which is definitely not bad. Now I know there's also rebates on the original one. I think the rebate on Ibotta for that one is like 75 cents. And then there's also some on the there's also some on the plant-based options as well. And so this next deal is on the beach nut. It's on the beach nut snacks, which are these right here. Okay, they're priced at $3.66, and for this you want to grab 1, getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then $1 on Fetch Reward. I'm bringing them down to 66 cents. Next up is the Airwick Essential Mist machines, and it comes with a refill. So they're priced at $12.58. Ibotta's giving you back $6. I also have $5 back on, is it Shopmium or Alexa? On Shopmium, bringing that down to $1.58 each, which is definitely not bad. All right, so my next deal is on the Lysol air sanitizer. I had the hardest time finding this stuff, y'all. I was just like, where is it? Sometimes the app tells you the aisle, and sometimes it don't. And for this, it was not telling me where it was. So I had no idea where it was. I was looking on the cleaning aisle. I was looking on the laundry aisle. I was like, where is it? But it's an air sanitizer. Like, they couldn't just say air freshener. They had to say air sanitizer to kind of flip you up. And so anyway, so listen, we're gonna grab one price at $7.27. This offer on Ibotta does not exclude the coupon, so we're gonna use this $3 coupon right there. We'll end up paying $4.27 out of pocket, but then we're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta, making it $1.27, which is not bad considering we started off at $7.27. So yeah, I definitely grabbed a couple of these. Right, guys, so we're grabbing the Arm & Hammer Light. It's on the Sit Boosters. They're priced at $5.72. Was that the right price? Hold on, let me double check, because I feel like it was cheaper than that. Wasn't it cheaper than that, you guys? I got it at a different store. Yeah, the other store was cheaper than that. It was $5.48. Damn, now I gotta double check, because I don't even know now. Last time I did this deal was $5.48 for sure though. So for this, we're grabbing 2 of them. Okay, if they're priced at $5.48 for you, then you'll end up paying $10.96 for 2 of them, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta, also getting back $5 on Tada, Swagbucks, My Points Are Inbox, and then I'm also getting back $1 on Shopmium and Alexa. I may have had this on Tada too, but yeah, it brings it down to 98 cents each, which is definitely not bad. All right, and last but not least, you guys, is on the Fabries, priced at 97 cents. Getting back, actually no, that's for the lint roller. It's priced at $1.97, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes that only 47 cents. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys today. Let me just say that this cost me a lot more than I wanted it to. With the Airwick, I have it on Shopmium, but I believe it's only for specific stores, and I did not check that. So rather than that cost me $1.58, it cost me $6.58. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. I thought I could always just resell it, which I sell these anyways, which I'll at least get my money back on it. So I haven't really decided yet if I want to take it back or if I want to keep it. I'll probably just go ahead and just keep it and resell it. But yeah, this haul cost me a lot more than I wanted it to, because of that. So everything worked out good. The only coupons I had were for the Lysol, and those did scan for me. I went to the store that has the new system, and they scanned perfectly fine. Other than that, what else? Everything else worked out good. I did exchange the chorizo for the beef one because the pork one wasn't working on Ibotta, but it did work on, I think, Tada um, and Shopmium. All right, and so I did get back the 55 cents for each of those, plus $1 on Ibotta. So I made that a really great deal. Other than that, guys, everything you see here retails $83.83. I had $6 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $77.83. Tax for this was $3.39 because it's mostly food, which is always awesome. And then we walk away with $39.87 back from Ibotta. Tada is $15.55. ShopMeme is $3.55. Shopkick is $1.60. Checkout 51 is $1.36. Alexa and Fetch are both $1. Getting back a total of $60.93 makes everything you see here $13.90. So it is not the greatest of hauls for me. And even if I decided to take the Airwick back, it would still be like $7, which is still not bad. But rather than return it, I'll go ahead and just sell it. And so other than that, guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching. And I will check you guys out in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.